Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing another quick weave, so I'm just showing you guys my little braid pattern I have going on. Today we're doing a side part, and so that I don't have any itch or anything, I'm adding my Do Grow Itch Oil. It really helps so that your scalp isn't itchy between like your installs and everything. Today I am using Betterlength bundles. This is their light Yaki bundles. I have the 18 and the 20 inch, and you only need 2 bundles. You can see how thick these bundles are from the top to the bottom. Whenever I was talking to them at first, I was like, I need 3 bundles. They was like, no, you don't need no 3 bundles. 2 bundles is enough. You get a lot of hair in the 2 bundles, and they were correct because I didn't even use all of the hair. So we're just gonna start by adding a black cap, and then I'm gonna start molding my hair. I'm using this stuff. I need to look up the exact name for it, but I got it from the beauty supply, and it had it like in the front. So yeah, it's just a purple bottle of whatever this molding stuff is, but this stuff is so good, y'all. It's super thick, so you feel like you're putting on a lot, but just keep on putting on a lot because it's super thick, so you feel like you're putting on too much. But just make sure you really coat all of your hair in it, and you cover all of your cap because you don't want any glue to stick through. This stuff really protects your hair from glue. So after you do that, make sure that you blow dry your hair and that the cap is completely dry before you start adding the tracks. And I'm just sewing down the cap in certain places that I'm scared that it may lift up. So I'm just doing that like around where I'm going to cut it, and then on the back. So I'm just separating the bundles, and then we're going to start applying them. I'm just going to glue the tracks. I mean, it's pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. Don't mind my little messed up glue bottle. I was struggling with that, but I'm just going to measure it out, cut it, and then glue it onto my hair. And by the way, when you're doing the mold, make sure you wear like some shirt that you don't care about, because yeah, as you can see, I got some of the drips on my shirt, so keep that in mind. Okay, y'all, so this is my first time doing this, like laying my tracks this way, because I usually just go in a U, but I've been seeing a lot of videos of the girls laying it like this so that the hair can fall in your face. Now, in between my tracks, I am adding a little spritz. This helps so that the tracks stay on longer and they don't move. And I will also recommend to blow dry after you add each track. I was like going too fast, so like later on as I was wearing it, it did start to lift up because I didn't wait for the glue to dry completely. So make sure you guys make sure that the glue is dry completely, especially when you're laying it like this, because it's just easy for it to like start lifting up. So yeah, I'm just like laying the tracks, going in my face because I'm doing a side part and I want my hair to be like really just laid. And then I'm going to cut some smaller pieces and just add that like going the other way. just look and see how I'm doing it, okay y'all? And then I am just going to cut the rest of the cap off, and then I'm going to cut the cap off in the middle part as well. Now I always do this. I'm adding an extra little track at the very top of the hair because I just like to have as much hair as possible. Okay, so yeah, I'm still adding the spritz to make sure that that's not going to move, especially like right there in the front, because that's where it starts to get oily when you have the glue and everything and your natural hair oils. So right now I am just going to flat iron my leave out and make sure that that is good. I'm adding a little bit of my wax stick, and by the way, like I said earlier, this is the Yaki texture, y'all. I think I am a fan of the Yaki texture now. I was doing a kinky straight for a while and thinking that would match with my texture perfectly. No, it's the Yaki. I just like how it is, and plus I don't have to deal with any of the crinkles or anything like that. So yes, I am a Yaki straight girl now. Okay, now I'm just brushing all of the hair out, and now we are going to start with the fun part, y'all. I would put so many layers in this hair. Like, I just kept going. With the layers, and I'm so happy I did, because after I curl it, it just looks so good. And I've been getting so many compliments on my hair, like at work and from y'all, because y'all was waiting for this video I posted on my, I've been posting like selfies on my Instagram every day, and y'all been asking like, what's the hair, what's the hair, what's the hair? This is the hair, and I just love it. It looks so natural, it matches. But yeah, as you can see, a part of the like layered effect, and if you want your curls to just be like really popping, you have to do a lot of layering. And I am not a professional. I just be pulling out pieces of hair and then just going down. So I start like around my chin area, well, like the bottom of my cheek area, and then I just cut down really only to the top part of it, because the back, I mean, it's not that important. So yeah, I just cut away and I just keep on going. Now we are going to curl all of the hair going to the back. So I usually just split my hair in half. Then I start in sections from the bottom going up to the top, and I'm just curling all of the hair in the back on both sides. I'm just curling towards the back all over. Okay, y'all, so this is what I look like when my hair is all done. We're just gonna take out my little clips that I had in, and I had to change shirts to get it look cute, put on my makeup and everything. I always put some hairspray like in my leave out, because it helps with the frizz, and it helps so I don't have to be flat iron my hair every single day. And then I love a good paddle brush. If you have like, thick kinky hair, a paddle brush, using that on your leave out really helps it to blend in. And now I'm just like brushing through my curls just a little bit, not too much. Look, y'all, I was feeling myself. Okay, so now I'm just going to do my little edges with my even edge control. And now I'm just combing through my curls some more, y'all. So the layers were so nice, and you guys are gonna see when I turn to the side and everything. It just looks so good, and I love it. I currently still have this quick weave in. It's been almost 2 weeks, so yeah, it'll definitely last. And it just looks really good. Like I said, I've been getting so many compliments on my hair every single day. Like, people love it because it just looks so natural, and it's just like, I just feel like that girl in this hair, okay? I feel like that girl. So I'm just showing you guys my little blend. I'm completely natural. I do have heat damage, but I'm natural. I don't have a perm or anything. So yeah, y'all, I love this hair and I would definitely recommend it. Shout out to Betterlength. I'll have the links and everything down below to this Wefted hair. Thank you, Betterlength, for sponsoring today's video. As always, I love you guys and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Don't slip on the gym.